Oh, crud.
God,
That's mine.
Oh, that's mine.
No, that's mine.
Oh, here.
Wow, you're being a fish hog.
Is it?
Yeah. How he got off. He was about the size I caught right over
What
there.
size was he, baby?
This size, he's little.
Oh, okay. Well, you're letting them get off. It's not helping us now.
There's one right there you gotta get off the thing.
Got the pliers. How many did you catch? Two. Where's the pliers at?
Oh, that's the same one. Never mind.
Huh?
I thought I had another one.
Where's the pliers at?
I need to keep those in your pocket.
I'm working, man. I'll take this jacket off. I'll do an intro, man. Okay? It don't happen overnight, baby. I think that right there's still running in it. Yep. Alright guys, we ain't had time to do the intro, but we out here on Lake Townsend today trying to catch some crappies and big white perch, and we just caught 3 little ones for you. Had the cameras on, but here's one of the small ones. Today the water temperature is 62 degrees with a little breeze, and we're gonna do what we can do. So y'all stick around. I think those were in shallow water. You know? It's okay, those big ones where the babies are, baby. You gotta remember, the youngest ones strike first. You know? The smallest fish is always gonna strike first if there's fish around. Because they're the most energetic, most down. They don't get beat that much. Alright, it feels like we got another little small perch on, guys. If he stays on. Look at him. Alright, he hit a baby shad pattern. Open your mouth.
Oh, crud.
Get him. Get him, baby. I got one over here.
Oh, right behind you.
I can't do it so much.
Well.
Get out of here. He swallowed his treble hook, man.
A little bit bigger. A little bit bigger.
Oh, yeah.
There's another one.
Where, baby? Put him in the water. He gets off.
Yeah, he got off by himself.
Did he? Wow, I think I was going to keep him. Boy, she let one get off, guys. I was going to probably keep him and make tacos.
No, you weren't.
I'm telling you, I want some tacos. Huh?
I don't think he was big enough to make tacos.
You get enough of them little ones, that makes good tacos, baby. Is that one right there in front of you?
Yeah, I think
Or are you in it?
No, I'm in it. Oh, he's way over there.
Is there one on this one? Oh, no, hold on, you're on this one.
It's a perch day.
Yep. Can you hold that? All right, there he is, fellas. I might keep him, and if we catch a bunch this size, then we'll have tacos. All right, guys, we got one on here now. Oh gosh.
Okay, hold on a minute.
This one right here is aggressive. He stayed on. He swiped at it, smacked at it, and he missed it, and then he come back and got it.
You got another one on there too. And another one.
Yep.
Oh, he's bigger. He's better.
He's smaller than the last one we kept, but Looks like that black one is the ticket today, don't it?
Yep.
All right, there he is, a little small one, guys.
Keep him.
He was caught on a Black Bandit 300. Guys, the main reason we out here today is I changed my spark plugs and my coils in my boat, and because last trip we went catfishing, I didn't think it was gonna make it off the lake. It was spitting and sputtering so bad, then it ramp up, then it go down. But man, it's a world of difference between brand new spark plugs and brand new coils. It cost me a little over $300, but it was worth every penny. Today is a beautiful day. We out here really just to try to motor out, see if it made a big difference, and we got a few fish in the box, so we're gonna keep on at it.
One right dead in front of you.
This one?
Well, that one and that one. Thought. Just feel like there's something on it.
Yeah.
That one, that's the one.
I know, there's something on both of them, babe.
They're spunky this morning. It must be the cold water.
Oh yeah. Hit that baby shad pattern. A little RQ 220. There's another.
My turn.
Guys, you must know this one a little bit bigger because she said it's my turn. She wanted this one.
Bigger, actually.
Wow. Oh gosh, look. Look at that, guys. Look. Oh man, get her. Oh. Uh-oh, we're in trouble now. We're gonna go buy the big camera.
Just make it feel like it's an 8-pound fish.
Ooh. Guys, she messed up by gritting that one. Look at this one. Yes. Sunk on the table tonight. Look at it. He's still fighting. Look at it. This one got some shoulders. Shoulders, guys. Oh, I got a big crappie.
Do you?
I don't know. His mouth was just wide open, just being. I'm gonna take my time.
Oh, buddy. No.
Oh yeah, big crappie. Oh yes. Look at that. Guys, I'm glad she grabbed that one. Look at that one, huh? Son. That's what happens when you get greedy, guys.
Oh crap, I gotta get that fish.
Hold on, get him. It's not no big crappie, I hope.
You're in the way.
Oh man, he swallowed this thing right here. Is that fish that big, or are you just... All right, guys, there's the one that she gave up. Yes, sir. Going in the box. Oh, is that a crappie? Or are you bringing another line in?
I'm bringing in another line.
Hold on. Mayhem. Guys, when that bite's on, it's mayhem. Let's see. If he's sticking across the back, we might keep him there. Let's see.
Don't forget that one down there.
Just hold on. There's only one of me. Let's see. You got to figure out
Yeah,
what line it is. Okay. Let's hold it for a second. He's a little thick across the back. We might keep him. Might let him go. Don't know yet.
Well, it seems like all of them are popular today.
All right, guys. That big crappie hit that, I guess, line with a blue back. Bandit 300. You got one on, baby?
Yeah.
All right.
I think you might have a little wiggle there.
A little peckerhead. Let's see. I don't know. It's like you got a nice. Oh, that's a nice white perch. Let's see.
The rod went down like it was
A 4-pounder.
yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was a big, what's it, little big crappie the way it went down. He's thick across the boat. We might keep him. There he is, guys. Ouch. Went across the back. I don't know. I don't see none of them like getting slack. Oh, it's a little fish on the back. Look at him. Caught him on the back, guys. Man, it felt like a monster. Wow. Great. Man, look at that little thing.
He's spurred.
Caught him on that Mad Cow Bandit 300, y'all.
Oh, right.
God,
That's mine.
Oh, that's mine.
No, that's mine.
Right here.
Wow, you're being a fish hog. Golly, I saw it first.
I know you did. Don't let him off. Oh my gosh, he's way back there jumping.
It's crappy, I think.
Yeah, don't let him off.
Get that line out of the way, man.
Which one? You just go to the right, baby. Let me get this net, guys. She might have a nice crappie on this, like the one I caught a while ago.
One in the air.
Oh yeah, he's right here, ain't he? Oh yeah, he's right here, ain't he? Oh man! Front of the boat. Front of the boat. Wow.
Well, if you just let me get it in the first place, instead of trying to...
Guys, we just spending a beautiful day on the lake. Beautiful day. Awesome. And Lisa just let a big one get off. Biggest fish of the year. Alright guys, sunflower seeds, they're a staple on our boat. We always keep sunflower seeds on the boat because they're a good pastime in between fish and stuff. And we buy the originals, only this kind right here. Free-to-lay ones, they're the biggest one for the seed. So go out and get some and keep some on your boat.
He was not paid for this endorsement.
No, I wasn't. But we love them. We was almost getting ready to pack it up and call it quits. Then this one hit. I think the brakes ripped off this one. You know? I think.
Is it on there? What's wrong with the tip of it?
Well, here.
It's a crappie.
It's a big crappie. You got the net, baby? Videotape. See him?
Yeah, I see him.
I don't want him to get off. I'm gonna keep him low. Whole bucket now. Look at him down in the water. Look at him. Wow. Right, I'm gonna drag him up in the net. Yes. Oh.
Yeah, he's nice.
All right.
Pretty fish.
All right, there's another one. Quit curling your tail. Look, by doing this way, there's another one, guys. Grab the net, Lisa. Net girl.
You're giving me too many assignments, man.
Yep. Oh, he's not that big. Here.
Talking junk.
Oh, okay. Man, he felt big though. Here you go. Come on up there. I just threw that black one out. Boys, when they caught like that, they go crazy. And they swim crazy. It makes them feel way bigger, but he's thick. He's gonna make the taco bucket.
You're obsessed with tacos.
Look at that. Fish taco bucket. Look how thick he is across the back. Wow.
I can get mine off there.
Catch
Hey,
that.
hey.
What?
I did catch that.
Did you?
He's bigger than yours.
He sure is. Took across the back. Oh.
Did you get stabbed?
I'm just trying to get my bearings here, y'all. But here you go. Black and the mad cow. We caught the biggest today.
I think this one's a big one.
Is it another big one?
Or it might be one that's
Let's see.
helicoptering.
Oh, it's helicoptering. Yeah. Oh man, you caught him in the back. Guys, you caught that one in the back. Look at that little thing. Felt like an 8-pounder, didn't
Sure
it?
did.
Show us that fish real good. Just threw it out.
It's that black one.
Black Bandit 300, y'all. Look at that little fish. All right, we'll get them off. Throw them back.